Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video we're going to talk about how to choose the best launchpad for your token launch. Cryptocurrencies is a virtual currencies consisting of codes and algorithms that just work like other traditional fiat coins such as US dollar, the British pound, euro, and so on. What distinguishes cryptocurrencies and highlights their importance is that they are the first to allow decentralized electronic transactions between two peers without the need for a third party or trusted escrow. A crypto launchpad, a decentralized exchange DEX-based platform where crypto projects are introduced and can obtain funding and make initial DEX offering. EDO is basically a crowd sale of crypto tokens to raise funds for a project. A similar analogy is how an initial public offering (IPO) works in case of shares. Just instead of shares, EDO sells tokens for a price. Always bull market conditions differ from bear market as well in choosing the best launchpad. One effective method for selecting is to access the top project and examine the historical all-time high they have achieved. Contributors who participate in crowd sale get the best role since they are getting the tokens at a discounted price. To launch project effectively, prioritize growing an organic community on a crypto-friendly social media platforms. Promote your project across diverse social media, including Twitter influencers, Reddit posts, and other relevant channels. Building an engaging, robust community on these platforms is crucial for a successful project launch and sustained growth. When choosing a launchpad for your project's crowd sale, be cautious about platforms that fake their trading volume by launching their own project or artificially boosting crowd sale numbers, especially in bear markets. This deceptive behavior doesn't guarantee a successful initial DEX offering. EDO. To ensure more authentic and promising EDO experience, opt for a launchpad with a reputation for transparency and integrity. DxSale is a leading launchpad, token minting and liquidity locking platform that streamlines the process of creating, launching, and locking tokens. DxSale is a largely decentralized EDO launchpad on Binance Smart Chain, while also supporting 15 other chains. It's easy to mint and launch your EDO pre-sale without requiring any coding knowledge, with 24/7 support to help answer any questions. With decentralization, this means that launching your project on DxSale is hassle-free and controlled by their Certik audited smart contracts across more than 20 different crypto chains to choose from. DxSale is a platform with a strong token sale that has a great advantage. I advise you to check it out and enjoy its features. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next video.